Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken noodle soup at home easy. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a delicious meal. Then, we'll prepare our vegetables with simple chopping techniques. Finally, we'll cook the chicken perfectly before shredding it, setting the stage for a comforting bowl of soup. This method is straightforward and yields fantastic results every time. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. You'll need 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all diced. For the protein, grab about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs. Make sure you have 8 cups of quality chicken broth on hand. And for those comforting noodles, 4 ounces of your favorite egg noodles will be perfect. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Once your files have successfully uploaded, file transfer. EO will generate a unique, secure download link. Copy this link and share it with anyone who needs access to your files. Recipients can then use this link to download the content directly. Remember, for security and storage efficiency, files are typically available for 7 days before they are automatically removed from the servers. Almost there. Now it's time to season your delicious chicken noodle soup. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra burst of freshness, stir in some chopped fresh parsley or dill. Let the soup rest for just a few minutes off the heat. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra herbs, and enjoy your comforting, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.